Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now Dwayne is talking about, the persons that are coming to his page and throwing angry face and so forth. The ones that are commenting negatively on his page, he's saying that he does not like negativity and he likes positivity, so that's why he stays to himself. He watches his TV and stuff. Because you do not like the negative things. So please catch the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and remember to comment on the channel as well. Thank you.
I was brought up differently. I was. Not because you guys see me coming here and I may cast a few bad words here and there. That don't mean listen, we are all cut from different threads. We all are. To each his or her own. And no, I am not cursing. So if any of you feel like I'm cursing, I am not cursing. I'm not. Maybe this is what you expected me to come on my page and act a damn fool. Maybe this is what you wanted. That's why you came in my inbox with all of that unscrupulousness. Help me to understand, what is there to extort Solane up for? What is there to extort her for? You think me and other people are in the same category where I use her to build myself? No, darling, we don't do those things over here. My page is already built, and I built my page by myself. Yes, I may have posted people's content. Absolutely, I may have posted people's content in the beginning stages to build my page. Absolutely, we all have. We all have. Minus some. Some has really genuinely toiled from the jump, and that I will never take away from them. We all build ourselves in different ways. The most important thing is I stopped posting these people's content and started to do my own thing. Yet still I'm extorting. And you see the choice of word you use? Extorting. You see? This is why I say some of you should stay in school, because you don't know the definition of some of these words you're using. You don't. Everything Dwayne does is a problem. Everything I do, it is a problem to 3/4 of you. Yet still, you still watch me. Why come here? Why come in my messages to harass me? Am I harassing any of you? Am I harassing any of your family? I know I say to you guys, I don't go to people's page for a reason, because a lot of these people are hypocrites. That is why I stay to myself. When I'm not on social media, I talk to a few people. If they call me, I may call one of them more than I call the rest, and I will talk things to them. I don't be troubling any of you. So what is wrong with you people? People can't do good anymore for other people people can't do good for people anymore without expecting things. The most important thing is I'm not using people to build myself. I am not using people to build myself. Yes, I win, I lose. I win and I lose. Why is my damn nose itching me? Oh my God. I win and I lose. I win some, I lose some. That is how it works. That is how the game of blogging goes. Every other day I win a few new people. I lose some the other day. But at no point in time will I ever use anyone to build myself. Never. The only reason why she came on my page is because I wanted her to come on my page. Yes, she could have taken to her page. Yes, she could have. However, I was the mastermind behind all of that. So why should it not be? But why should it not be unveiled on my page? She didn't have a problem with unveiling on my page. So why are you people making it such a big deal? It is not that detrimental to no one. I'm very sure none of you lost any sleep. I'm very sure a lot of you criticized the way she looked. A lot of you, none of you put any monies towards the new look. None of you did anything. yet still you have the absolute most to say. It is hard to ignore, Corinne. It is hard to ignore. They've gone from here to my YouTube. I had to block that person, even though my YouTubers were, I had to block them. Because they didn't stop. They just kept on going on and on and on and on and on. I know you guys have realized my lives have, I have, somewhat slowed down on the amount of times I take to my social media. Ask yourself why. I am tired of the constant, I'm tired of constantly trying to defend myself against these people. A lot of these people, they have power. And the more they speak negatively on me, they're turning people away from me. And I don't like that. I don't like that feeling. So I stay to myself. I watch my TV. I watch my movies and mind my own business. Yes, Anglerface, you perhaps are a part of the problem too. I mind my own business for a reason. I stay to myself for a reason. I am tired of constantly trying to defend myself against all of these demonic people who are trying to tear me down, all in the name of building themselves up. And if you see, if they was doing it on truths, it would be bad, not so bad, but they're not. They're not. Everything Dwayne. Dwayne name is so easy to be called. Dwayne name is so easy to be torn down. You know, funny thing, I woke up today, right? I swear to God, I pulled out my laptop because I was going to change my page name. I really was. Every other time I say I'm going to change the page name, somehow I just end up not changing it. My friends say, don't change it. You started with it, continue with it. It's not like I'm on my page tearing down people. I'm not. If you guys realize, if people don't say anything negative about me, I don't speak on them. I really don't. How am I the worstest person on social media? How am I this troublemaker? They're painting me out. Stop telling me to calm down. I am calm. Stop telling me to calm down. I'm very calm. I am calm. I'm not shouting. I'm just speaking. What have I done that is so detrimental to people? Have I stolen from you? Me coming on my page, does that take away any value from your own platform? No, it does not. A lot of you attract thousands. I only attract maybe 100 or 2, the most 3 at times. The most 3. Someone saying I'm extorting Solane Sharon. Look at it today. She calls, she said, Dwayne X, Y, and Z. What did I do? I said, don't worry, I'm going to figure it out. And I figured it out. Where are any of you people? Where are any of you people? Anglerfaces, where are any of you people when she needs your help? Where are you people? As soon as I come on my page, you people come here to troll me. Set up your Anglerface till God come. You know, funny thing, I am going to start to block all of you. I don't care whether you support me or not. You don't support me anyway. Because right now, I'm not speaking anything for you to be mad. What am I speaking right now for you to be mad? Nothing. Maybe you're the Simone crazy person who's saying that I'm extorting people. Hello. I never said you can't say anything. You said to calm down, and I'm saying to you, I am calm. I'm not shouting. I'm just speaking. It is a difference.